Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1964 Chevrolet Malibu. Love this car, guys. Bought it from a guy out of Virginia. It's about a 5-year-old frame-up restoration, and I love what he did here. He left it alone, didn't try to make an SS, just made a cool, fun little driver, man. This car, I love the color combination. This is original factory Daytona blue, metallic with the original medium blue vinyl interior. It's got a set of Uniroyal Tiger Paws all the way around it. I love the color-coded steel wheels with the dog dish caps. 4-speed car, which is very fun to drive. I can tell you, my son and I, when we bought this car at the show, we probably put 100 miles on this thing. Hit the road great, did great in traffic. Man, just a fun car to bang the gears in. Sorry, my guys, missed a little wax there by the doors. Power front disc brakes. He gave me a listing of everything that they did, which that goes with the car too. New bumpers, all new interior. Again, he said it's about 5 years old. He didn't know the mileage, but he said there's not many miles on the car. Again, just wicked cool car. The only thing I kind of wanted to do, I would love a set of red lines on there, but man, they're $1,200 and I just can't do that. But I think they'd look wicked cool. The only bad thing about red lines, you know, the good looking ones are the bias plies, and of course they make the cars drive like crap, which is funny, but they really do. But they look good. Replace the bumpers on the car. The chrome and stainless is in excellent shape. Slick paint. You know, you can find a couple little touch-up marks, little blemishes, but not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car, guys. All new interior, repadded, refoamed, did a great job with that. I think all the rest of the glass is original. See a couple little marks in the rear glass. Slick car, man. Love this color, man. It's been a little spray wax or something. I don't know. You can see that. It comes right off though. I don't know. I think that guys are out here spray waxing. I think he got in the wind and just sprayed everywhere. A little windy today. You can see this car's nice and straight down the sides. Sits good. Again, love the steel wheels with the dog dish hubcaps. Always missed a little wax there. This car looks good, man. Killer look. Sounds good. Flowmaster dual exhaust. Again, it's a 4-speed. Fun to bang the gears on it. Again, if you see that, it's just wax, guys. Got to get in there with a toothbrush, get it off. New front disc brakes, new lines and everything. 327 is what the car would have actually came with. The car actually has an 010 350 GM 4-bolt main 350 engine. That's the 010 block is the high performance GM block. Holley 4-barrel, you can see stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, manual steering. It's got power front disc brakes, aluminum radiator with a flex fan. I'll tell you, it did great in traffic. That's an L79. He said that's an original one. L79 air cleaner, stock valve covers. Does have a front sway bar on it. Pretty car, man. Got a great look to it. New mirrors, A-pillar chrome's original. You can pick at that a little bit. New door handles, new door rubbers, door seams are nice and clean. All new interior, new carpet, new sill plates. Factory bench seats. Headliner's in great shape. Stock steering wheel. It looks real good. 35,830. That's not the original miles, guys. I'm sure it's 130. Blower motor worked. I think that radio works too. Parking brake works. Again, brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a 10-bolt 323, so just a stock gear, nothing crazy. Jack with spare here. It's all spackle coated. Again, it does have the jack, spare in there.
Good looking car, man.
Car's nice and clean underneath. New fuel tank. I love the color combination. I think that's so cool. Dash is original. That's all real nice. Again, it's got the T-handle for the reverse. Again, same thing, original A-pillar. Car hits the road great. Shipped out great. Clutch is good. I mean, just a good running and driving your car, man. Got a killer look. Not really, just a fuel gauge in it. Everything else is on the lights. Again, parking brake does work. See the doors open and close real nice. Great sound. Fun car to drive, man. I know the blower motor worked. Did the radio work? I can't remember if we turned that on. No, original radio. Got doors open and close real nice. Wipers work. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is to our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.